So I'm here again at the villas at Disney's Wilderness Lodge, and I found something weird with these Ocean 2 elevators. I'm on the 4th floor here, and as you can see, there's 2 different call buttons. And it's the same story on floors 2, 3, and 4. And also the same in the elevators, which we'll see in a minute. Let's actually go up floor. As you can see here, floors 5 and 3 have the same call buttons, while 4, 2, and 1 don't. Also, door open and close buttons are like floors 3 and 5. And the alarm button is vandal resistant. Let's go on 4 again. I don't know if this is Disney's doing or Otis's. Unless the call button's broken, they just use replacement. And this elevator 1, 2, 5 are the same, while 4 and 3 are different. And 4 and 3 is the same buttons as the door open and close again. And the alarm is vandal resistant again. And look at that. I do like these indicators though. And these elevators are nice besides the weird button choice. So, that'll be it.